Forest Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson County in south-central Michigan until 11:30 p.m. At 10:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albion, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Brooklyn, Grass Lake, Vandercook Lake, Leone, Spring Arbor, Napoleon, Sandstone, Norval, Pulaski, Concord, Horton, Springport, Parma, Hanover, Oak Point, Tompkins, Rives Junction, Sunset Beach, Michigan Center. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties: Jackson, Michigan.